Today I am reviewing the Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart 10-in-1. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Cooking has never been easier, faster, or smarter than with the Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart 10-in-1. This all-in-one kitchen appliance is designed to revolutionize the way you prepare meals, combining 10 different cooking functions into a single, sleek device. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent, or just someone who loves home-cooked meals without the hassle, this Instant Pot promises to make your life in the kitchen simpler and more enjoyable. First, let's talk about its versatility. With the Instant Pot Pro Plus, you get 10 essential cooking functions: pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, sous vide, canning, rice cooking, yogurt making, warming, and even NutriBoost for enhanced texture and flavor. That means you can make anything from perfectly cooked rice and tender meats to creamy risottos, homemade yogurt, and even sous vide delicacies, all with one appliance. Its intuitive touchscreen controls make switching between these functions effortless, and the smart interface is designed for both beginners and experienced cooks. One of the standout features of this model is its Wi-Fi connectivity and app integration. By pairing it with the Instant Connect app, you gain access to over 2,000 interactive recipes, complete with step-by-step guidance. You can monitor your cooking in real time, adjust settings remotely, or even switch cooking functions from your phone. This is particularly handy if you're juggling multiple tasks or want to start cooking before you even get home. Imagine prepping dinner while finishing up work or handling other household chores, all without being tethered to the kitchen. The NutriBoost technology is another game changer. This feature gently pulses ingredients while cooking to mix flavors evenly, enhancing texture and taste for soups, risottos, broths, and rice. It's a subtle but powerful touch that ensures every dish comes out consistently delicious. Combined with the pro-grade stainless steel cooking pot with a thick aluminum core, heat distributes quickly and evenly, allowing you to sear, sauté, and cook like a professional chef. The flat-bottom design even makes it compatible with multiple surfaces, so you can move it from stovetop to oven and straight to the table for serving. Safety and convenience are also top priorities with the Instant Pot Pro Plus. The Whisper Quiet Steam Release technology minimizes noise, creating a peaceful kitchen environment. A one-touch steam release or app-controlled option makes handling steam safe and stress-free. The unit also includes over 10 built-in safety mechanisms, such as overheat protection and an easy seal lid lock, giving you peace of mind with every use. If you're concerned about time, this Instant Pot is a powerhouse. It can cook up to 70% faster than traditional slow cooking methods, so weeknight dinners, batch meal prep, and family meals become far less time-consuming. Speaking of family, the 6-quart capacity is perfect for up to 6 servings, making it ideal for families, meal prepping, or cooking for friends without needing multiple pots or pans. Cleanup is just as easy as cooking. The dishwasher-safe inner pot and accessories save time and hassle. And the package includes a stainless steel steam rack and an extra sealing ring, so you're always ready to cook without delay. The 1,200-watt performance ensures consistent results, and the Instant Pot's thoughtful design combines speed, power, and convenience into one compact, modern appliance. In summary, the Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart 10-in-1 is more than just a pressure cooker. It's a complete kitchen solution. From advanced cooking technology and smart connectivity to safety features and easy cleanup, it's designed to make every meal easier, faster, and tastier. Whether you're looking to simplify your daily cooking, experiment with gourmet recipes, or streamline meal prep, this Instant Pot is a versatile, reliable, and high-performing addition to any kitchen. If you want to cook like a pro, save time, and enjoy consistent results every time, the Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart 10-in-1 is an appliance that truly delivers on all fronts.